Hey everyone, so in today's video I'm going to show you the unboxing of the brand new Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 which I recently bought. So in the first part of the video I'm going to unbox it, then I'm going to pair it with the Galaxy Wearable app, and then I'm going to show you its functionalities. As you can see, this is the box which contains a Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 smartwatch. As you can see, this is a very long and narrow box as opposed to the other boxes of Samsung products. Now I'm going to open the box by peeling off the outer stickers and the sellotape. So I am now opening the box. As you can see, I'm holding it right in my hand, and this is the inner material of the box. As you can see, we have a long box inside it, and also we have the black watch. As you can see, it's completely black in color. The watch is laid out flat inside the box with a smaller section inside containing everything else. The watch is completely black in color. It has a nice glossy finish associated to it, as you can see, and the bands are quite thin and flexible. Now another striking feature about the watch is that the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 uses the Google's Wear OS software instead of the Tizen platform found on all of Samsung's other watches. Now this is also the first time Samsung is updating the classic and modern designs all at the same time. Now I'm going to keep the watch aside for some time and let's explore what else we have inside the box. So I'm going to open the flat box now. So we have some instruction manuals as well as the beginner's guide for operating the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 smartwatch, and we also have one wireless charger. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 can't use traditional QI wireless charging pads. No USB wall adapter is included in the box, but you probably have a few dozen spare ones already that will work perfectly. But if you have a Samsung Galaxy phone with wireless power share, also known as reverse wireless charging, though then you can skip using the charger entirely. The charger has a USB Type A connector which charges the watch at a maximum of 5 watts. So this is the wireless charger by which you can charge the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 smartwatch. So these are the instruction manuals and the beginner's guide found inside the flat box. And this is the outer package. Now I'm going to connect it to the Samsung Galaxy Wearable. If you don't have the app, then you can directly install it from Play Store, but if you have a Galaxy phone or Samsung phone, then you can already have that app pre-installed in your system. So I'm going to sign into my account, and then I'm going to click on next and do all the other settings. Now I'm going to enter the current pin, and then I'm going to sign in to my account, and then I'm going to do all the things which can keep my data safe and set my wearing preferences, and then I will set the text size and appearances. If I want a slightly bigger size, then I can just slide it, and then I will get a bigger size whenever I operate my smartwatch. And then for all the emergency calls and for daily activities, I have to do all the settings and click on next. And for understanding my sleep patterns and for better rest, I can click on next. And for getting heart rate and advance my running advantages with the help of metrics, I can do all the settings, and after finally doing all that, I can finish up. As you can see, it is taking a little time. Finally, I can enjoy my watch. So this is how it looks like after you wear the watch. So I will tell you all the things which we have inside this watch. So first is the notification. We have the menu which we have inside Samsung smartphones also. So right now I don't have any notifications. Let's go on to the next one. So this is the heartbeat tracker. We also have the walk tracker, running tracker. You can also see body composition, sleep pattern, temperature, date, calendar, and also you can measure your stress levels and all these things. Now let's move on to the next thing, which is the apps. So it comes with a predefined set of apps. That's all from this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. So that's all. See you in the next video. Cheers. Peace out. Bye.